Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tara and today I just wanted to do a vlog because I recently reached 30K on YouTube and yeah, and today I'm here with my best friend Huda and we're just gonna go to the beach.
Having a picnic day.
Picnic day, yeah. We thought the weather was gonna be really nice today, but the weather...
Look what I'm wearing, look what is she wearing?
I thought the weather was gonna be like sunny, but it's not really sunny. Like literally, like look at our weather says it's gonna be like sunny, right?
It's kind of sunny, but it's cloudy at the same time.
Okay, but anyways, we're gonna take you along. And by the way, guys, what do you guys think of my hair? I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell?
I love
obviously,
it.
right?
Yeah, I love it.
I just got my hair done, so yeah. What do you guys think? And let's just go to the beach now.
Yeah, let's do it.
Bye. Should we get snacks first?
Yeah, we can do that.
Like a little picnic sandwich or something?
Yeah, let's do that. Why are you calling me? Oh, this is how literally she's Xoxo. You guys wait for it.
Cups of the Xoxo.
The guy in the silver car was like, what the fuck are those girls doing with the big ass camera? Look at that girl, look at the kid, look at
where?
The red car.
Oh, she's like, what the fuck is going on there? Fuck that nigga that you love so bad.
Every time we're in this car, this girl plays this song like,
I love this song!
are you drunk right now?
Are you drunk right now?
I'm wearing a flip-flop and here we are. This is not really, it's not, is it a beach you would consider? Yeah, it's beach on like that side.
And it has a hike too, down there.
I'm trying to take a nice picture of the view.
Here, from here.
Yeah, look. I don't know, I didn't know, I thought there was not gonna be a lot of people though. Yeah, we're gonna find a place now. So, should we take this way? Would I look? Or that way? You lead the way.
I don't want to fall, so probably this way.
Look, literally.
Look at this, look at my shoes. Okay, ready? Okay.
But, dead ass.
Ah, go! My shoes are fun. Okay, no.
Oh my god. Did it go wet? I just made it, but Huda's getting help from that. Huda, do you think you can do it? Yeah. Do it. Yup. With the stick.
Okay, I think I will do it.
Do it!
Oh, yeah.
Do it!
It's funny.
I'm scared.
We're not gonna wait for you for an hour, bitch. Go. Go. Cannot see myself, but we're here and we got some chips and 2 drinks.
Picnic day.
I'll show you guys the front. See? Picnic day! We have this barbecue. We're probably gonna get dinner later, so. Then I got this tea, and she got a Starbucks coffee from KFC. Yup. Okay.
Now can't get you out of my brain.
Okay, guys, baby girl's leaving.
Anymore. But I'll see you tomorrow though.
Yeah, see ya, girl. Bye bye.
Bye guys.